Puataunofo, welcome to your workplace. My name is Hans.
Malole, I'm Harry, and we're from WorkSafe. There are a few things we want you to know about so you can stay healthy and safe while working in New Zealand.
It's your right to work in a healthy and safe environment. That means you have the right to stop or refuse to do work that is dangerous.
And if you see something that isn't safe, you have the right to tell your boss or health and safety rep. You cannot get fired for reporting health and safety concerns.
Always follow the rules in your workplace. That means policies, procedures, and instructions from your manager. If you don't know what to do, talk to someone that can help.
PPE must fit you and be worn correctly. Stop, take 5, and check.
Work together to keep each other safe. Stop, step back, and look out for others.
If you see anything unsafe, speak up.
Report things that go wrong. Speak up.
Speak up if you have any questions.
Our goal is for all workers to come home safely.
Whaki ki api hau mau malo.
Sau male sau ngali mu hilefale.